back to the channel and today's live day trading futures. Well, I'm quite excited for today. We have crude oil report yesterday, we had that, and today we have natural gas storage report, which is in 15 minutes, but as we speak, natural gas, in fact, it's selling off. So let's go to the chart straight away and show you what is going on, right? For those who don't know, obviously we got a crude oil on the top, and then we've got a natural gas at the bottom. We're looking at hour, 5 minute and a minute time frames, and so also on natural gas. What has happened today with natural gas, it's very important and very interesting at the same time. As you can see, we broke below the moving average today, and we've been significantly selling off natural gas. We got the report in less than 15 minutes, so all eyes on natural gas to see if we'll be able to hold above that significant price, a mark of $3 per contract, or are we going to continue selling off? Now let's have a quick breakdown of obviously a natural gas to start with, and then we'll switch over to crude oil as well. So let's see, yesterday, obviously a good day trading day. We had kind of a consolidation to hourly time frame. Right here we traded below. Today we kind of tried to push above the moving average. We then consolidated as a resistance and then moved below that, and we continue selling off on the 5 minute and onto 1 minute time frame as well. So be closely monitoring a natural gas because the report is, like I said, in less than 15 minutes. And then let's see what the market has got for us. Whether or not the report will be bullish or bearish like crude oil yesterday, we don't know yet, and we don't want to be second guessing as well. I don't like trading prior to the reports because sometimes we may lose volume and it's difficult to exit a position. Although I'm trading only with £50,000, which is not that significant of position, but sometimes it is enough not to be able to get out on time. So when it comes down to a crude oil, as you can see right here onto the hourly time frame, I'm just keeping an eye on natural gas because we're still selling off, but yeah, all eyes on crude oil at the moment. So hourly time frame, today we broke below the moving average. We just sold off to about 77.5 per barrel. We bounced off that round number as a support, and then we broke the the hourly moving average. And as you can see, better view on the 5 minute time frame. We broke above, consolidate, and continue pushing forward from there. And as you can see, that is nice bullish run right here. I was able to get some good profits out of this particular run today, but I'm open to even more profits as the trading day goes ahead. But yeah, let's get into the zone. Let's making sure we are in for a good, nice, profitable day today. And that's what matters most of the time, is actually getting that winning attitude and stay with that winning attitude, because it's a key to our success as a day traders. So let's just focus a little bit on the movement of the market, see where that will take us. And then, like I said, the report of natural gas, the storage report, is in 12 minutes. So all eyes on natural gas. Some of you may argue that it could have been a good time to open up a short position right here, just above that significant $3 for contract, as we've been holding that for quite a long time since we hit a new height of 3.15. We then kind of start to sell off. Let's see if support will play a big role in today's report, or are we continue selling off? We'll see. Bullish or bearish? Don't know yet. Let's find out. But looking at crude oil very quick, we may be pulling back to about $78 per barrel. To be all fair with you, it's where the hourly support it looks to be. Yesterday, yeah, $78 per barrel. I've managed to get a nice short, long trade, the bounce off that yesterday, and I've managed to make some good £400 to £500 to be precise, which is good. And for all those of you who was live with me, I called out that support and it seems to actually worked. So yeah, let's see what will happen today as well. Okay, I think we're just consolidating a little bit of a bullish pattern on crude oil. Although we're kind of in that consolidation area we're finding ourselves in. Let me just draw it that, and then I'll show you exactly that little consolidation area right here. Okay, so that's where that is. To be fair, between, what's that, 78.8 and 78.5, give or take. So that's where we find ourselves in, right here on the 5-minute time frame. And then let's see if we'll be able to break that consolidation area, perhaps below or above. We're yet to find out on that particular future. Let me hide this. And then natural gas, it's selling off. Yeah, that would have been a nice short trade, to be fair with you. Short position. But like I said before the report, I don't like trading. The report is only 9 minutes from now, so let's see what will happen. Are we going to be bullish or bearish is the big question to answer today. I'm tempted to, in fact, potentially get some long position with crude oil because we broke above the moving average. We then consolidation right here as a support, and then let's see if we'll continue moving forward from there, ideally. But as I said, we don't know yet. There is a big gap between the swing and the 5-minute moving average, so that may as well pull it back, but we may continue moving forward and upwards from there. So everything is on the cards today. Let's just get in the flow of the market, and then we'll see what the market has got for us. Okay, crude oil is pushing above the moving average at the moment, 78.72. We just consolidate the moving average as well as a good support perhaps. But like I said earlier, we're kind of finding ourselves in this little consolidation area where we've made a high, 78.82. We then lower low, and then we kind of back to where we were previously. Natural gas is continually selling off at the minute, 2.97 for contract. Let's say everyone is probably just getting rid of some long positions prior to the report today. But yeah, 7 minutes to the report. Let's see, natural gas, let's go. Let's go. If you're looking at the 5-minute time frame as well, we kind of found some support around 2.95 for a contract earlier. And we have then tested it twice. We couldn't break it. We then broke above the $3 for contract. Very, very important price. Very important. Okay, crude oil is trying to make some higher highs at the moment on this particular pattern right here from 3 o'clock. Let's see if that's going to be a good long position or not. Okay, we just broke that right here. Okay, yeah. Continue that earlier bullish pattern we have found on crude oil. But let's see. That's going to be enough, or maybe in for reversal. Okay, natural gas is keep on selling off prior to the report. So the report, it may as well be very bearish, so to speak. Natural gas was a very good swing trade for those swing traders of you guys who are swing traders especially. If he was to hold it for a couple of weeks, would have been a fantastic return. I'm only a day trader, but I'm only a day trader, but I'm also looking to potentially hold a couple of positions for a swing trade sometimes, because those patterns are good. Sometimes they're bulletproof as well onto the larger time frames, but that's not to speak that it's really day in and day out proven that that is going to happen. So as a traders, we don't second guess ourselves. Let me make it clear. As traders, we don't second guess ourselves. We trade based on what the market is telling us. Okay, I'll wait for the report, and then 5-10 minutes later I'll wrap up the show for today. Hey. Okay, 4 minutes to the report, guys. I got my coffee here. Okay, crude oil just made a lower low here on this particular pattern. Let's see if we'll be able to make a high, or are we gonna be continue selling off right here? It looks like natural gas is reversing, probably some short squeeze at the minute, where short sellers are closing on positions at the minute. Let's see, that will affect too much of the momentum of natural gas. Cool, 3 minutes to the report. Looks like crude oil has failed now to perhaps make a high in this particular pattern we're looking at the minute. Are we gonna test the moving average, then break below? Who knows? And like I said, the 5-minute time frame, it says support should be around 78.16, give or take, 78 round number. So let's see if we break the minute moving average, we then consolidate, and then I'm in for a short trade. Let's go, sweetheart. Come on. Yeah, look at that bearish candle of crude oil. Okay, natural gas, it's trying to reverse from the earlier sell-off we had right here from 3 o'clock. If you catch the 3 o'clock, yeah. Okay, 1 minute to the report. 1 minute. Couple of things to look for at the report time. Are we breaking above the $3 for contract? That is the main thing probably to look for. Significant price range. Right, 29 past 3. Okay, bearish by the looks of things. Yeah, it looks like to be bearish to me. And looking at the time frames, even at the 4 hours. Okay, we may have some support at 2.862, but is a long way to go. Testing previous supports, daily lows for today at 2.956. Let's see if that's going to be enough to hold it or not. That is the big question to be answered right now, because testing it third time. And at the same time, crude oil is also breaking below the moving average. So let's wait for a little consolidation right here. See if that's going to happen. Because we are far away from the moving average on natural gas. So I'm not really in for a trade in natural gas. Although we just had the report. Like I said, I'm away from the moving average. So that's not my edge. I'll be just monitoring for any reversals past the report today. Let's see. Okay, yeah, continue selling off natural gas, but I'm waiting for that little consolidation right here of crude oil. So I can get into a short, perhaps. Okay, let's see where that's gonna take us now. I'm already loaded, £52,000. Okay, yeah. Natural gas, it's selling. Alright, we're kind of holding that support of crude oil at the minute. So let's see if that's gonna hold fire. Are we gonna make a higher high here? Right somewhere here, or we're failing to do that. That's a lower high. And perhaps a good setup for a short sale. But again, that's my only opinion. You guys don't have to follow that because everyone has a different edge, different perception of the market, and different understanding of what opportunity means to you. Yeah, very bearish report. Look at natural gas. Okay. Selling crude oil, short position. Okay, I just set a little stop loss right here. Okay, and then I'll take some profit at here. Okay, let's see where's that gonna take us now. Just shorted crude oil. Yeah, I could have shorted natural gas, I know, but like I told you guys, it's not my edge because we're far away from the moving average. We moved below the moving average just before the report. So that could have been a good signal, I'm not going to lie to you, for potentially reversal. Okay, so we just making some little bit of profit on crude oil. Okay, natural gas, it's kind of finding some support at 2.9 per contract. So bear that in mind when it comes down to a shorting at the minute, because it's a round number. And as you guys already know, round numbers always hold a good support and resistance levels. That's why I always use them for a profit targets. It's purely from a perspective of obviously a bounce off those round numbers. For me, all eyes on crude oil, but I'm also monitoring with my left eye a natural gas to see what is happening at this very moment. Okay, 46 down on crude oil at the minute. A little bit of indecision right here. Let's see if the moving average will hold it. Probably not, but hey ho, let's find out. May as well get some volume breaking above or below that moving average. Time it's 3:35. Yeah, we kind of hold that support. Let's see if we're gonna hold that resistance right here. Is the key with crude oil at the moment. Yeah, you see, I told you with natural gas, we found some support at 2.9 per contract. That is a round number, guys. I mean, day in and day out, I have seen it. So yeah, let's see if we'll potentially bounce off the moving average, where I can then think of getting into a trade, but we are way away from the moving average at the moment. Okay, crude oil is selling off as well. It's good. I have seen some funny videos on YouTube, on Facebook lately. Someone was drawing a gun to scare the swing of going against him. That was a funny one. Yeah, I couldn't believe it. What people has. All right, come on. Let's see. Crude oil. A little bit of indecision on crude oil at the moment. Right, we gotta wait. Let's see. Okay, just looking at, okay, yeah, I'm out of the trade. Fantastic. But yeah, it is what it is. It happens. Just move on to the next edge. And that's how it should be. I'm just looking at natural gas as well. Obviously, we just made a bounce of the 2.9 for contract. And then we are trying to make some lower highs at the moment, which we potentially just did. Let's see if we'll be testing the moving average on the way up. And then, like I said, I'll be then looking to maybe enter into a trade. It depends of consolidation areas and whatnot. I'm going to have some lunch because I'm starving at the moment. So I want to thank everyone for joining me today, for watching the opening of the report with me, and I hope you have a fantastic trading day. Yes, I made a loss live with you guys, but it's one of them things that if you don't take an edge, you don't know where that's gonna play, and if you don't enter into a trade and you don't take that edge, you don't know where that's gonna lead you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll be closely monitoring natural gas and crude oil to open up some more positions, and the more edges I play, I know in fact the more I'm gonna win. Thank you so much and have a fantastic